So action 4 definitely is one I will keep for the fact that it has many advantages. Also, I can use the DJI mic mini wireless mic, which can dramatically enhance my audio. Audio work, can the microphone actually pick up from the helmet? I don't think this can work, but you never know, we'll find out. We go to the stop sign, turn around and return. See how the video look like. Stop sign, alright. Let's return. Because it's on the helmet,